జిల్లా పరిషత్ ఉన్నత పాఠశాల చినముత్తేవి నందు 9వ తరగతి విద్యార్థులు ఏర్పాటు చేసినటువంటి వీడ్కోలు కార్యక్రమాన్ని ప్రధాన ఉపాధ్యాయులైనటువంటి గోపాలకృష్ణ గారు, ఎస్ఎంసి చైర్పర్సన్ అయినటువంటి బాబురావు గారు, పాఠశాలలో ఉన్నటువంటి ఉపాధ్యాయులు అందరూ కూడాను ఈ కార్యక్రమం యొక్క విశిష్టతను వివరిస్తూ 10వ తరగతి విద్యార్థులకు వీడ్కోలు అనేటువంటి కార్యక్రమాన్ని పాఠశాలలో నిర్వహించడం జరిగినది.
Good evening all of you, my dear students, teachers and staff. We gather here farewell to our incredible, intelligent and energetic students. We have filled with mixed emotions today. Why? Because we have left the school after completing public examination. We are very happy to have such a good and excellent staff in our school. We want to express our gratitude to our amazing teachers and staff we gave us through this journey. With patience, wisdom and unforgettable support, our dedication to our education and personal growth has made a great impact on us. From today onwards, we will stop our nasty things which are to be wasted our valuable time. All the memories what we have here in this school will not be erased from our minds. We are all ready to face public examinations with great confidence with our support. Thank you very much for the incredible journey, and may our future be as bright as the memories we leave behind. Farewell, my dear friends, until we meet again. Thank you. Performanced by 4th 5th classes Manasa, Chaitanya, Varshini, Alassa, Kalpana. The second song performed by 6th 7th class girls, Pulsar Like song. Ashwita, Haripriya, Vaishnavi, Lasya, Rachita, Jahnavi. And Grace. The next song performance by 10th class girls group dance Vaanu Chinukulu, Neha, Varshita, Shravya, Sirvalli, Dhanlakshmi, Jahnavi, Sanjana, Akshaya, Lakshmi, Bharvi and Ranavi.